Here we are at Callie's Auto, showing you how to change the brake pads on a 2001 Mercury Grand Marquis. So you see below, these are the tools we need: a piece of wood, 14mm socket, a wire brush, a big screwdriver, and a C-clamp. Of course, you jack up the car, put a safety jack, stand, take off the tire, and these 14mm bolts right here come off. 14mm, you see I already loosened them, so with the ratchet, pull one, pull two, take off your caliper, set it up in there. Probably need a screwdriver, pop these off if they're rusty, pop off the old pads. Boom. Take off the clips, pop right off. Take a wire brush and brush them out all the way around. As you see, I already did it. Here's my little brush. I also like to brush this part a little bit up in there where they were. Put these back in once you're done. And then you take the new pads. It's pretty simple. It's probably the most simple thing I've ever done on a car. Just set them in place. One. Two. Wow, that was easy. There they are placed. So now what you want to do is take the caliper and take your clamp and press these open. What I did right here, you open them up because they were squeezed tight from the brake pads being worn out. So with the new one, they just need to be widened. On those two circles you see, you just press them open, then it goes right back on. Okay, put that on. Goes on. Put the 14mm bolts right back in. 1, 2, tighten them up. Voila, put the wheel back on. Lower it down, pump the brakes, and ready to go. That concludes my Mercury 2001 brake pad replacement.